everyone, and welcome to the First Friday STEM project at the Ballackinwood Library. If you stopped by the library, you would have picked up, not a bag, but something that looks like this. And inside, you're going to find three things. You're going to find a grid, a sheet of stickers, and a map of the solar system. So this time, we're going to explore mnemonic devices and how we use them to help us learn science and math. A mnemonic device is a memory tool that lets us remember and retrieve a lot of information. It's much easier for our brains to remember one chunk of information rather than a list or a whole lot of information. You may have already learned one of the mnemonics on how to solve math problems. So the order of operations of please excuse my dear Aunt Sally, which would be parentheses, exponents, multiplication, division, addition, and subtraction. Today, we're going to create our own mnemonics to help us remember the order of the planets from the sun to outside the solar system. So for this, you're going to need the grid, and we're going to look at the very top part of the grid, and you're going to see a number of lines that go down that list words. You're going to take out your grid and look at the words, and you'll notice that there is an M at the top for Mercury, and then V for Venus, E for Earth, M for Mars, J for Jupiter, S for Saturn, U for Uranus, and N for Neptune. And under it are a list of words that are going to help you form a sentence. And this is the order of the planets from the sun moving out of our solar system. So today I'm going to pick my very eager mother just served us noodles. And I'm going to remember the order of the planets by remembering just one sentence. My very eager mother just served us noodles. Now it's your turn. You can pick one word from each line in order and make a sentence that you think that you can remember. And if you want to add your own words into any of these lines, go ahead. I would love to see what you've created. So after you've created a mnemonic to remember the order of the planets from the sun to the outside of our solar system, you can use the bottom grid to make a mnemonic that helps you remember the order of the planets in size order. And again, you're going to pick one word from each category. If you look in the PDF, you're also going to find ideas of how to make sentences to remember the terrestrial, the land-based planets versus the gas-based planets, and some other fun science and math mnemonics that we've listed in there. Now, what are you going to do with these? The first thing you're going to do after you've done your mnemonic and you've written your sentence and said it to yourself a number of times, because part of learning a mnemonic is to learn and keep repeating it so that you can connect the words to the sentence. Once you've done that and you think you've got it, you're going to take your grid of the solar system and cover up the names of the planets and take the stickers and put them onto the grid in the order that you think they are by saying the mnemonic as you go along. And then you can remove it and see if you're right. When you've written your mnemonic, if you really like it, stop by the library and let me know. We will be posting them up on the wall. So see you at the library.